Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Hindi pa ba ako sapat? Hi, my name is Chibi, female, 21. I have a boyfriend and he is 28. We've been together for 4 months. Actually, we just got back together kasi almost a year kaming hiwalay and we are living together for like a month na. My family met him and I also met his family in the province. To cut the long story short, I just need advice. We are actually planning to get married next year on our anniversary because we are living together. And my mother wants us to get married kasi hindi appropriate ang live-in lang. And my family is religious. I see him as the perfect guy and I love him so much that I'm willing to risk everything for him. And guess what? One night after namin magbembang, tulog na siya. At ako naman, umiral ang aking pagka-detective. So I opened up his phone and nakita ko, putang inang yan. Sa Gmail niya, may email na expired na yung subscription niya sa OnlyFans. Like what the fuck? Para akong dinurog, putang ina. He still jerks off watching other women get butt naked. At ayun, ginising ko siya and asked, ano yun? Sabi niya, wala lang daw. Tang ina, anong wala? That time, I was thinking if pagpapatuloy ko ba yung kasal namin or this is just a part of our relationship to work on. Ang sakit pa rin. I feel insecure kasi he still watches OnlyFans and all I could ask for myself is, hindi pa ba ako sapat sa kanya?